Good morning, my dear students. How are you today? In our lesson today, we will talk about beaks of birds. Beaks of birds. Okay? Beak is the mouth of the birds. Beak is the mouth of the birds. Okay? There are different types of beaks. There are different types of beaks. In our lesson today, we will talk about four types of beaks. Four types of beaks, okay? The first one is called spoon beak. Spoon beak. It looks like a spoon. Looks like spoon. Look at the bird in this picture. The beak of this bird is looks like spoons. Looks like spoon, okay? But spoon beak birds love to eat what? They love to eat small fish and small plants. Small fish and small plants. Spoon beak bird like what? Spoon beak bird like what? Like spoonbill bird, spoonbill bird, and pelican. Spoonbill bird and pelican. 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 Okay. The second type of beaks is scissor beak. Scissor beak. It looks like scissors. Looks like scissors. They love to eat meat of animals. They love to eat meat. Okay? Like eagle and owl. Like eagle and owl. The third type is called tweezer beak. Tweezer beak. Tweezer beak looks like tweezers. Looks like tweezers. As we see in this picture. They love to eat fish and insects. Tweezer beak birds love to eat fish and insects like heron, heron, and egret, and kingfisher, kingfisher. Okay? The fourth type is called close spine, close spine beak. Close spine is look like what we see in this picture. Close spine beak looks like a close spine. Okay? Like wren, like wren. The bird we see in this picture. Close spine beak love to eat what? Love to eat seeds. Love to eat seeds. 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 And now let's answer some questions, okay? Pelican's beak. Pelican's beak looks like what? Looks like tweezer, close spine, scissor, or spoon. Pelican's beak looks like spoon. Looks like spoon. Eagle's beak. Eagle's beak looks like tweezer, close spine, or scissor. Yes, good. Looks like scissor. Kingfisher's beak. Kingfisher's beak looks like tweezer or close spine. Bravo. Excellent. Looks like tweezer. Kingfisher's beak looks like tweezer. Wren. Wren's beak. Wren's beak looks like close spine. Looks like close spine. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Bye.